Hi and welcome to Elite Influencing. In this video I'm going to be explaining to the widget styles. First thing you want to do is come up here to my account and go to the architect. So every widget has its own set of styles. In the styles menu you can change things like colors. If you want to add a border you could change that. You could change the size of the text. So I'll show you some examples here. We can change the size of the text in the styles menu. We could change the alignment of it. We could change if we want it to be all uppercase, or we could change the color. On the image widget, if you wanted to add something like a border, you could come right here to border. We could add a red border around this image. So styles change how each individual widget looks. For the button, we could come in here and change the color of the text in the button. We could change the background and things like that. So styles change how each widget looks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.